Welcome to Dakota's Spooky Decor. For your inspiration today, I will be using these faux boxwood tiles to create a border around a door frame. Boxwood is just the type of shrub. I'll line them up and use zip ties to attach them. Now I'll be making 2 chains, and I laugh because I'm reading my notes that I wrote for myself and my phone auto-corrected 2 chains to 2 chains the artist, with a Z. It's funny. Anyway, I'll be making a chain of 5 and a chain of 11 because I'll be bordering the top and one side of this door frame. If you don't have zip ties on hand, you could use yarn or string or safety pins or paper clips or anything really to attach these together to hang them up. Make sure you go in with scissors to remove any tails. Now I have this really cool chain of boxwood tiles that I can easily hang up on a wall. Now we gotta get to the spooky. I mean, it's in the name after all. Today's choice of spooky is the skull, which we will be cutting the backs off of to easily glue into the boxwood tiles. Now, this plastic is pretty soft, but always remember to be super careful when you're cutting anything. Now I only had 5 of these skulls on hand, so that's what I'll be using for this project. After cutting all of the backs off, I'm just adding hot glue to that back edge. It's okay if it's messy and it drips on the sides because you're attaching the skull to the little pieces of the shrub. I did place the project on top of a cutting board just in case any of that glue dripped through the back. However, it did not. This was super clean and easy, and it dried right away. This is where I'll be hanging the project. The chain of 11 will go here, and then the chain of 5 is going to go across the top. I used a ruler to measure the width of the tiles so I had an idea where to place the thumbtacks in the wall, so I wasn't just blindly tacking thumbtacks in. Now between the vertical chain and the door frame, there was a bit of a gap, but I just used a few extra thumbtacks to keep everything in place. Now there still is one more step, and that is the lights. I had 4 of these battery-operated fairy lights left from a pack of 6 that I had ordered off of Amazon. I took the battery pack and just kind of shoved it behind the shrubs that seemed to hide it nicely, and then I string the lights up through the plants. Now the string is kind of like a flexible wire, so it was really easy to bend. You can kind of twist it around some of the leaves if you need to help keep everything in place. Here it is, my DIY FYI faux living wall creation with skulls. This was such a fun and crazy easy way to temporarily revamp an entire area of the house. I hope this video inspires you in some way to go and create something awesome that you love. Please like and subscribe for more inspiration, and until next time, stay spooky.